everybody? I'm going to open this DG key package. I think I know what's inside. We have a diode and a capacitor, yeah. And I know where it's from. This is from this power board. I'm going to have to do some repairs because as you can see, those wires are very flimsy. So I'm gonna have to let me take a picture of it because this is so just gonna take a picture, hold on. So I took a quick picture because I wanted to I have a little issue here with the wires because as you can see, they're all flimsy and they break off. So I will have to take them apart and solder them back in. So I need 4 wires on this side and there's 2 wires on the other side from the controller. Just going to show you what I'm talking about. There's a little bit of work around I have to do here because and I have to send everything today, everything. Okay, see those 2 wires? They came out loose as well. So I need to get them back here. I have to splice them, get this one installed, and then fix. I want to fix all of those wires. They like gonna break in a second. I'm just gonna take a few more pictures because I wanna correct it. This wire has some writing on, so I want to make sure I'm putting it the right way. Okay, let's get it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the capacitor. The capacitor located right here. There's 2 contacts here, and this is a smaller capacitor than this, but it's the same parameters, so we're gonna replace it. It's 82 microfarad and 400 volts. As you can see here, 82, 400 volts, so it's the same thing. The only thing I want you guys to remember is that the minus is by the coil. Okay, so you can make a mark so you would not forget. So just make a mark here on the coil and you know that this is the minus side. Now I'm gonna take the capacitor off. See, it fell off. I told you it's gonna fall off. This is such a flimsy install. Okay, let's get it. 2 points here. Let's start. This is the capacitor right there. Let's remove it. Okay, I think this capacitor is about to come out completely. Boom. So before you remove this, see, there is a little issue here I'm gonna face for sure, because it doesn't show the plus and the minus. on this guy. I'm back now again. So the biggest concern I have with this guy is that I don't know where the plus and the minus on this. I will check underneath, but it looks like this is the one leg, and I think this is the other leg. Okay, I hope I'm gonna make it right, because I don't have the markings on the board, but we'll see what I can do. Now I'm gonna try to pull it out. See, like I don't have a plus and minus on this guy. Let's see. See if I can measure anything here and see if I can find the plus or minus. There is no indication here, so alright, I don't like doing that, but I really don't have a choice here because there's no indication here where is the plus and the minus. I'm back now. I'm gonna install this right now, right here, and I'll install the capacitor. I'll fix those wires. See, the capacitor is burned, and there's no markings, so I put the plus to the closer to the triac. Hopefully it will work, otherwise I'll have to, they will send it back to me and I'll just swap it, but it should be okay, I think. Alright, let's get it. Where is my solder? Okay. Perfect. Now this one in place. Now let's get this one. Remember, the minus is right there. Let's get it this way and then boom. Now let's put some flux and let's solder this bad boy in. Perfect. Now let's get this one. Where's my pliers? There's the pliers. Cut these guys, those legs out. New capacitor. new diode. Okay, now let's start with those 2 points because they are the easiest. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna splice those wires. And connect them right there. Where's my splicing? I can't see it here, but let's use these pliers. So let's get it. I'm gonna probably make a double end here just to secure it a little bit better. I don't like the way it looks like. Let me just see. Anyways, that was not a good idea. Okay, let's just do it just without anything like that. Okay. So we're gonna connect this guy right here. Put some solder on there, flux. One's in, then let's do the second one. And then the same thing I will do on the other side. I'm gonna just do this guy and then I will stop the video. I think you got the idea. Perfect. So this is all done, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below and subscribe. Take care.